What's up? I'm Vaughn, and I am the founder and CEO of the software development firm Tier 5. And I want to give you access to my free organic marketing training where I teach you the exact strategies and processes that I've been doing that have actually enabled me to be able to generate over $1 million in the last 12 months from random strangers on Facebook. And these exact strategies and processes have actually allowed me to generate over $3 million using my Facebook profile and selling my products and services to random strangers on Facebook. So I want to be clear here, I'm not going to sell you some expensive course, I'm actually giving it away to you for free. I don't make my money selling information, I make my money selling SaaS software products and software engineering services, and I leverage my personal Facebook account and the information in this free training to get random strangers on Facebook to literally spend thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars with me. And you can apply the same strategy and the same principles no matter what it is that you sell. So if you're looking to grow your business, get more leads daily, make more sales, and ultimately have more time, money, and freedom, then click the link, go check out my free course.